Guys, and welcome by another video by Crypto and the Crypto Mega Profits channel. Let's see what's happening to the markets today. As you can see, the total market cap is staying around 150 billions, and it's not looking too bad compared to the stocks right now. Bitcoin had some good rise since yesterday, and it's trading at 6% up plus green. It's in the green, so most of the altcoins today are green against the USD. What we can see from the charts, if we go to the Bitcoin chart, you'll be able to see that we are moving into this nasty range here, and this range is quite dangerous if you try and trade it. Yes, because ranges are normally designed to take the money of the leverage traders. And I'll draw it really fast here. So this is almost the range low, and you have the low as well. So we are right now in a range in between 5,200 or 500 5,500 and 4,000, but I wouldn't say 4,000, I would say 4,400. Yes, and we're moving here and we'll keep on moving here. Despite what people might think, I don't think that we will have this big jump right away because it will be way too easy for the short sellers. What I want to show you is that if we go right now from here, boom, right down, this would be one sweet shot, and way too many people will make money with this. So it will most probably be something like this: up, down, then again up, down. It won't be too straightforward, yeah. And that's the range at the 1 hour chart, which is again extremely low time frame. But if we go to the 5 minutes chart, you can see that we have these big moves here happening on an hourly basis. This move here was like 2.5%. This move here was again like almost 3%. This move here was like 5% and more. And if you multiply this by, let's say, x10 or even x20 leverage, these are some quite big percentages. On 10k, 5% move, x20 will be how much exactly? How high? You double it. So people are making money, insiders are making money, scalp traders are making money, but you cannot make them as easily as it seems. Yes, because right now it seems like we are getting rejected, but it might not be the case. And let's take away this low time frame. I just wanted to show you the volatility and that it's incredibly big and strong right now. But let's remove all the drawings. Right now it looks like we're getting rejected by the 100 moving average on hourly. But what if I show you this, that we are having the perfect head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders formation. We had another hidden one here that can easily move to the upside and then burn everybody that thinks that we are being pushed down by the 100 moving average. Let's go to the higher time frame. It's even more visible now that we have one really big gap to close. The gap is big. Even if we do not go for the whole gap, which is like 40% or more, we can easily go for another 13% or so before we decide to go down again or consolidate a little bit more. What I want to tell you is that be you should not lose your money into this range, because ranges are extremely boring and people are trying to make money while they're scoping, and you should know that these trades do not normally play out the way you would like to. You have to do it the smart way, so wait for more stability into the markets. Let's see what stocks are going to do. Do not play with your money into time of crisis here. The coronavirus, as it is of now, is only going to get bigger. I mean, the numbers are most probably going to grow a little bit more, or even far more, in the USA and Europe. So wait for things to calm down, have some exposure, because as you know, the halving is coming, halving is here, and even though the miners right now are mining and are not in profit, so most of them are shooting down, you should know that you still have the chances to make it, yes, and to see this investment rising, but you should not oversize your positions or lose your hard-earned money into this range here, because that's what ultimately will happen. What you can also see here are some altcoins charts. Which one is this? That's Zilliqa. I really do like this coin, and during this incredible Bitcoin dump, it has been showing some incredible strength, and it's moving into this triangle formation here, currently being pushed down by the moving averages, the 200 moving average and the 100 moving average. Right now it's between them, and it's being squeezed really tight. The price is being squeezed. If we go to the 4 hourly, you'll see that it's even better looking. Zilliqa is moving into a range as well, but this triangle formation here is really resembling a symmetrical triangle, and more often than not these structures break to the upside. Right now we are having quite uncertain markets, so it might be not right away, but with all the strength that Zilliqa has been showing and all the buying activity here whenever it goes under 60 satoshis should show you something. They should show you strength. I really like this project, and they have really great community. They post often into GitHub, so I think that they are developing and on the right track. When the time comes, that's a golden egg. Another one that I like to look at is FET. As you can see, here is some nice volume going on. Someone is buying these walls. I do not say that it cannot go lower. There has not been too much strength, but if you see the move from here to here, you'll see that you can easily, a possible move to the moving average, you can see that you can make a lot. And if you actually go to the most probable resistances that the price will face, if it decides to go up, you can see that you still have a lot of room for gains, even if it only tests somehow the moving averages and then decides to go down. It will still be quite profitable, if even if it only tries to go to the 200 moving average and then go down. These are 20% that you can make. Yes, again, everything that I'm saying is not a financial advice. This is only for educational purposes. I like to discuss what's happening on the market, but you should know that there is incredible risk right now in the market. It's risky, and you should do this at your own risk. Yes. Another the coin here is Raven coin, and as you can see, it's touching this support here. It's made new lows, and in my opinion, it has to at least test this resistance here, or at least go to the 100 moving average. Yeah, and these are another 10% that might be made, from here to here. um, these are just side notes, just coins that you can watch while you watch Bitcoin and other markets. But right now, stocks are not moving too bad. So as you can see, there was a fall right at the open, but right now they're getting strength, they're getting the ground, and most probably this will mean a relief rally for Bitcoin as well, or at least stagnation and ranging some more, which will give altcoins the possibility to have some relief rallies as well. So you might want to consider some entries with not too big positions. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please click the link down below, subscribe, like the video, and stay posted. I'll try to keep track of the markets, and if something really interesting comes, I'll be here to show it to you. Once again, thanks you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.